Hello guys, this is Brad, and today one of my book titled 15 Things You Didn't Know About Korea, the Unusual Facts Tourists Have No Idea About. This book is available for free until tomorrow, so you can just go to Amazon. The link is in below. Link is below, and you can just download it for free until tomorrow. And when you go after going to Amazon, when you type Brad Kong, my name, you'll see my authors page. I've written 40 books so far, and when you click the books price low to high, you'll see actually 3 books are available for free, and one of them is Korea. And what I noticed was yesterday my book sales has been jumped, and when I actually check it, this book, the Korean book, was downloaded for 176 copies only yesterday. So just feel free to download.